Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can log in into Walmart account. For that, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. After you open any web browser on your device, on the top, you can see the search bar. Just click on it and type in URL as www.walmart.com, and after you type in www.walmart.com, just press enter in the keyboard. Then your official site page of the Walmart account will be open. On the top you can see sign in account option. Just click on it. Then you can just click on the sign in or create account option. Then after that, here you will be guided to the sign in page. You will just need to enter your email address here, and after you enter your email address, you just need to click on the continue option. Then you can sign in into the Walmart account. This was it guys. If you found this video useful, then give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.